Sweaty windows, peeling wallpaper, and musty odors are all symptoms of a poorly ventilated home. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. Let's talk ventilation right after this. How would you like to win a zero-turn mower just for sitting down? Enter the Toro Sit to Win sweepstakes. Visit your local Toro dealer, take a seat on a zero-turn mower with My Ride, and snap a photo of yourself. Submit your photo at toro.com/sit-to-win for a chance to win a Toro Time Cutter MX zero-turn mower with My Ride. It's just that easy. Check out all the details at toro.com/sit-to-win. What's the source of moisture that's permeating your home? The shower, wash basins, kitchen sink, and stove are only a few sources. Even breathing puts moisture in your home. This moisture is more than an annoyance because it can do real damage to the materials your home is made from, and it can generate the growth of unhealthy mold. Ventilation is the key to solving this problem because it exhausts stale, moist air so it can be replaced with fresh, dry air. In the kitchen, a good range hood will do the trick, but only if you use it every time you cook. Equally important is the bathroom fan. Make sure its CFM rating is the right size for the room and turn it on every time you take a shower or bath. For maximum effect, leave it running for a minimum of 10 to 15 minutes after you finish. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner.